how you can have better performance than someone that has a 90% win rate or 100% win rate. Now, don't get the title of the video twisted. I'm literally talking about 100% or 9% win rate in terms of expected value. So let's just get straight into it. So right here, this is the EV calculator for those that don't know. You can check it out. It's free on my website. I have other tools I'm currently working on down below, the risk of ruin calculator and a Monte Carlo simulation, but those are still work in progress right now. So the purpose of this expected value, for those that don't know, you can read what this is, but basically with a 90% win rate at a risk reward of 1, majority of times you're going to have a 1 to risk reward if you have a 9% win rate. I doubt there's strategies out there that have a 2 risk reward at 90% win rate, because that is absurd. I don't think that's possible. I think 90% at 1 to 1 is potentially possible. You have an expected value of 0.8, which is very good, by the way. That's at a 9% win rate, and at a 100% win rate you have a 1.0 expected value, meaning for every trade on average you expect to gain the same amount that you risk. So therefore that's why it's 1.0. So that should make sense to you guys. How can someone beat a system that has a 100% win rate? How is that possible? From a statistical profitability point of view, in terms of mathematical numbers, to beat a 100% win rate trading system, you just need an expected value over 1. And that's how you will get a trading system or strategy that's better than a 100% win rate, because your expected value is higher. So my system currently is around a 65% win rate. I do include break even in my trades, and those will count as neutral, by the way, so they don't contribute plus or minus to the win rate. I count them as neutral, meaning 0. But incorporating my proper break even management strategies I teach also in the course and mentorship, along with the strategy and setups, of course, that are mechanically defined, around a 65% win rate, and my risk score is about a 3.5 average. This will be the thing that will change over time, just due to market conditions. In terms of if price is really trending, you can catch bigger risk reward trades, while if price is ranging, you also have smaller risk reward trades to maintain that win rate and catch great opportunities on both sides of the market. So right here you can see with this system, I have an expected value of 1.92, which is 92% better than a trading strategy of 100% win rate. So now you guys can see just from this video how important risk reward is in trading. So obviously you can't have a win rate higher than 100%, but you can have a risk reward higher than 1. And what that does is it gives you a lot of leverage when it comes to your win rate. You can have a lower win rate with a high risk reward ratio, and you come out a lot more profitable, almost twice as profitable as a system of 100% win rate. Now the only difference between this is 100% win rate strategy. If it truly existed, you would just risk the entire account every trade because you win 100% times, right? So that's not realistic. Let's compare this to even a 90% win rate strategy. This is still double the expectancy and performance of a 90% win rate strategy. It's just mathematically proven right here. So let's say you had a 40% win rate at the same risk reward ratio. You can see a 40% win rate strategy with a 3.5 proven risk reward is about the same performance as a trading strategy at a 90% win rate at 1 to 1. So now you guys should be able to understand the dynamic between why EV is so important, because it factors in both the win rate and risk reward ratio. And this is how you will mathematically become a profitable day trader, just using pure math and a strategy that works. And that's not easy to find nowadays, because there's a lot of frauds and there's a lot of not good strategies that actually don't work. But a lot of people try to convince themselves it works. You need to find something that works first before you focus on your psychology. Once you find a strategy that works, you've done your back testing, build that confidence, then you can move on to building up your psychology. That's basically it for this video. There isn't too much here. I don't want to make these videos longer than they should be or need to be. But this just proves having leverage with a risk reward ratio will enable you to outperform traders at 90% win rate at 1 to 1, which is like a golden nugget that a lot of people are trying to reach. A lot of people are trying to get those 99% win rates when those are really unrealistic. And it's a lot more realistic to have a 40 to 60% win rate at a 4 risk reward, and you'll be outperforming that 9% trader. So that's it for this video. Again, if you guys are interested in the course or mentorship, click the link down below, essentialtradersuniversity.com. If you guys are interested, we do have sales going on currently, but I do plan to change the prices and up them very soon, or just get rid of the sale essentially when we get more and more members, because I want to make this stuff as exclusive as possible. And I don't like to have a very big group of students because it's not as personal. Limit that, I would have to up the prices and change the pricing, but for now, these are the current prices as well as along with the indicators if you're interested. I'll mainly recommend the advanced course over the beginner training intermediate course just because it has a lot more information. I have about almost 60 videos in the advanced course, and in the beginner course, I think I have about 20. So you're getting a lot more value from the advanced course, and that's where so far everyone has gotten the advanced course that have done very well in my training group right now. And you also get access to both courses for free, customized training plan, private chat, and many more. But this is only for those that really need that one-on-one help. If you're just trying to learn my strategy and basically learn the ins and outs of my system of how I can perform so well in the market, get that 65% win rate out of 3.5 risk reward, then the course alone plus screen time and your own effort and staying disciplined is enough to get there. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.